Question 1. The chairman of GST Council in India is. Correct answer is C. Finance Minister. Question 2. The idea of a nationwide GST in India was first proposed by which of the following? Correct answer is B. The Kelkar Task Force. Question 3. In India, GST became effective from. Correct answer is C. The 1st of July 2017. Question 4. Which country's GST dual model has been adopted in India? Correct answer is B. Canada. Question 5. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India provides for the creation of a GST council? Correct answer is B. Article 279A. Question 6. Who is the first chairman of GST Council? Correct answer is A. Arun Jaitley. Question 7. Who is called the father of GST in India? Correct answer is D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question 8. Which of the following tax has been abolished by the GST? Correct answer is A. Service tax. Question 9. What kind of a tax is GST? Correct answer is B. Indirect tax. Question 10. Under which Act GST was introduced? Correct answer is B. 101. Question 11. What is the GST rate slab for goods and services? Correct answer is C. 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%. Question 12. Which of the following country is the first one to implement GST? Correct answer is B. France. Question 13. Which country has the highest GST rate in the world? Correct answer is B. India. Question 14. What type of body is the GST Council? Correct answer is A. Constitutional body. Question 15. In which year budget was GST first mentioned? Correct answer is A. 2006 to 2007. Question 16. Goods and Services Tax was introduced in India by Finance Minister. Correct answer is A. Arun Jaitley. Question 17. How many types of taxes will be in Indian GST? Correct answer is C4. Question 18. The headquarters of GST Council is in. Correct answer is B. New Delhi. Question 19. In which year GST was first proposed in India? Correct answer is A. 2000. Question 20. Indian GST model has underscore rate structure. Correct answer is B4. Question 21. Which was the first state in India to pass the GST bill? Correct answer is D. Assam. Question 22. The Central Board of Excise and Customs announced that every underscore will be considered as GST year day. Correct answer is D. The 1st of July. Question 23. Who will notify the rate of tax to be levied under CGST? Correct answer is D. Central government as per the recommendations of the GST Council. Question 24. GST is levied on supply of all goods and services except. Correct answer is D. Both A and C. Question 25. CGST and SGST are levied as a part of which purchase? Correct answer is B. Intrastate. Question 26. Goods and service tax replaced which tax? Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 27. IGST is applicable in which goods? Correct answer is A. Intercountry. Question 28. What are the taxes levied on an intrastate supply? Correct answer is D. CGST and SGST. Question 29. Which of the following taxes will be levied on imports of goods and services? Correct answer is C. IGST. Question 30. What does HSN stand for in GST? Correct answer is D. Harmonized System of Nomenclature. Question 31. What does I stands for in IGST? Correct answer is C. Integrated. Question 32. What does SAC stand for in GST? Correct answer is C. Services Accounting Code.